Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about most interesting thing. You know all about the Udemy. Udemy is a learning website where you can go and you can learn anything. But there all the courses on Udemy are paid. Like you need to buy all those courses if you want to learn anything. Like you can see here. So today I'm going to tell you about 5 website where you can go and you can download any of the Udemy course for free. So let's get started. So in my list, the first website is free course site. Like you can see here, you can get most of the courses here, and you can download for free. Like I'm telling you how you can download from it. Like this is, you can download that Python course. Here you can download through torrent, like or the torrent websites. So here you can get a click here, you will get a torrent file, so you can download the course through torrent. I need to click here. We need to wait. Like see, now you can download these files. You get this file and you can download through torrent. You need to install a torrent software for that. And the second website on my list is Udemy course downloader. Like here also you can get all the courses. Like you can see all the courses are available here. So like you can search from here. Like if you want this course, just search, just take this title, copy this title and search there. See, now you don't need to pay any of the amount to learn these things. You can learn for free. Like you can go and you can download for free. See, you can download through torrent and through direct also. Like, so move on my third website on my list is tutorial. So like you can download Udemy courses and learn the courses for free and packed. And all the courses are free. Like there are a lot of courses are available here. So you can download which one you want to learn. See here, you can just download it. After that there will be a zip file. After that you need to enter this password to extract that zip file. Now move on my fourth website on my list is free courses Udemy. Like you will get all the core courses from here. So how amazing it is. Now you don't need to pay any amount for that. You can download from here also. Now move on my fifth website on my list is Get Free Courses. Like, you can get all the courses which courses you want. So guys, like, you can download from here also. So guys, this is for this video. I hope you will like it, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. So stay tuned.